Hi everyone. We're going to jump right on in on day number 5 of our 12 Days of Christmas sketches. And we're using another Operation Right Home sketch. What I like about this sketch in particular, if you pause it here, this one is very versatile because you can do a vertical or a horizontal, version of it. So getting into it, I'm going to go ahead. I have my pieces already pre-cut. And we're going to go ahead and attach our base and get that set up. And what I love about doing this way, like a lot of times if you put it straight to the card base, your background is going to be whatever color, right? So like if you're doing a black card base, brown, usually it's solid colors, you know what I mean? So it's flat sometimes to me. So I love using the pattern paper. It allows really for more papers to be used, and it just gives it a little bit more pizzazz, a little more something something. So we're just attaching this to the card base with the ATG tape and the art glitter glue. And then here you can really make the decision of either putting this where it's more vertical, or if you're going to turn it on its side and do a horizontal uh, orientation. Okay. If you do decide to turn it horizontal, everything pretty much remains the same as far as the layout and how you're setting it up. It just really gives you some fun options. So let's get this put on. So I'm going to show you here the horizontal version of this card. And I'm just taking a piece of the, basically like the washi tape. And I said on the previous ones, on some of these, I do like to use the art glitter glue only because I find that it gives these just a little bit more like of a hold. So for our focal image, our pattern paper, we're just going to use the ATG tape again um, and lay this down. This is one of my favorite papers from the Sparkle collection for Kaisercraft. It has this pink snowflake paper with the gold foil. Oh my god, it is gorgeous. And we're going to tape this down. And then I'm making sure that there's a little bit of the washi tape part on each side. And then once again, I'm grabbing one of the round circle sentiments. And this time I punched some black cardstock using my nesting dies. And it gives it just a nice little border. And we're going to grab the little bit of foam, fun foam. You see here I'm using just a green piece. And we're just going to put some tape down. And I always like to also hit it with a little bit of the glue. And then I put down the side with the no adhesive. And then we just pull off the backing. And I like to hit, I don't know why. I know why. Sometimes when stuff comes already adhesive, it doesn't feel as strong as the adhesive that we use as scrappers or card makers. So I always add that little bit of glue because I just want to make sure that when I'm giving this to somebody, it's not going to fall apart. And I know I say that all the time, but it's really important to me. If they decide to keep it, I want it to last. And then once again with the Nuvo drops on the left hand side, we got the Christmas magic and then the peace, peace on earth. So for this particular one, I decided for the 3 cards I made, I was going to do it on the horizontal. And you can change it up and put it more on a vertical, um, which I think I've done before, but just in one of my Friday sketches. But this one is really fun and it's versatile, and I think it works for any season. It doesn't matter if it's Christmas, it doesn't matter if it's fall, Valentine's Day. It's really lends itself to any occasion. So at the very end, just like we've done throughout this week, there will be links to the two videos before this one. And in the more section, you can find links to all of my Facebook, Instagram, my blog, all that down in the more section. And I just want to thank you guys for joining me, and we will see you with our next video.